we will see how to create the function module. I will create on real-time example step by step. So watch the video fully and thank you for my new subscribers. Continue to watch and subscribe my channel. I upload more videos. Function module. Function module is nothing, but it is there are the global modularization objects. Okay, the function modules can be called anywhere in the same system and in another system also. Okay, the function modules are defined in function builder. The T code AC37 is used to work with the function module. Next, function group. Function group, the transaction code we using SE80, but the function module, the transaction code using SE37. Okay, this is a function module create transaction code. ACET is a function group create the transaction code. ACET is used to work with the function group. The function module should be assigned a function group. Okay, and the function group is collection of function modules. Acts like a container. Okay, the standard table TFDAR is used to find FSMs since it contains the entire function module in the systems. All FMs. Okay, FM means function modules. All FMs contains in the entire function module in the system called the table TFDIR. Go to AC11. TFDIR. Okay, this is the table name. It contains all the function modules name, function name, P name, and include free date, APPL, MAND, Fmode, host. These are the details contained TFDIR table. Okay. Next, the function modules are three types. One is normal function module, remote function module, and update function module. Okay. Now we can see how to create the function module and the function group step by step. We can go the transaction code C37. Now you can go to utilities, function group, action, create group. Now you can create function group. My first FM. This is my function group name. Short text is FM. Okay, FM means function module. Now save the local object. Now we can go to AC80 object navigator. This is the function group repository browser. Okay, I can select the function group and give the function group name. My first FM. Okay, this is my function group name and there are contains to include default. Okay, once we can create the function group, it's automatically two includes or contains. It's one is top, another one is UXS. Now you can activate the function group. Right click, activate it. The two includes. One is top, another one is UXS. Now activated. You go to SC37. Now you can create the function module. Okay. Z my first function module. Create. Give the function group name. Okay. Yeah. This is the function group name. And give this a short description name FM. Now save it and ask one warning. Function module name is reserved for ACB. Yes. Okay. Now all the function modules create this function group name. Okay. My first FM. This is my function module name and the function group name also. but you can create another name also, no need, no worries. Now we can select activate button and activate. These are the attributes field. Attributes contain function group. Okay, the processing types contains regular function module, remote function module, update module. These are the types of the function module that are contain the processing type, and the import, export options, changing. These are the seven properties of the function module. This is one of the important interview question too for the function module. So that's it. This is the way how to create the function module and how to create the function group. Okay. In next session we will see more videos and subscribe my channel.